Hello everyone, welcome to another lab. In this lab, we are going to connect the computer with a switch. Here is the scenario. In this lab, you will design a small office or home office network using the network modular. So what we're going to do is to do all the thing which is listed down here, which is at least 5 steps. So the first part is that we are going to select the end device. When we talk about the end device, the device like desktop, including the laptop or even the telephone or the phone, the cellular or whatever phone that you use. It could be that one of that, but that the device that is say if you offer put your mouth on this one is a in device. So we got all this one. So when we move to the next A, it said drag all to the computer to the module. So that's what I'm going to do. I just drag and drop over there. Just drag and drop. So you can put whatever way you want to put your network. Just use like triangular, or you use whatever way you design your face, the topology, it doesn't matter. So either you put side by side or whatever way is work for you, that will be fine. So I just put this way. And also it's a add the switch to the canvas, which we are going to use the same scenario. Here is the switch. If you put your mouse on it, you can able to read which one is it. So you have to click on that first. And then after that, you got that and then drag it. So I want to put that in middle. So like to make sure we are, what is like here, right there, that's fine. So after that, it's a drag to the model canvas. So we're done with the first two steps, and then connect the computer to switch. How we can able to connect? So you will have to click on the create link. So the create link is what we have right here. So as you see, it's the kind of linking everything together, and then it said the create link. So just click on that, and then you can click on one computer, choose the port, and then if you click on the other one, and then you can able to see, you can select whatever available over here. So I just choose the number one by one. So it's the same issue for all. So I just, since I already choose the link, as you see, it's already tied to my mouth, and then I can just click on that, and then I'll connect that one to switch. And also I do the same thing for laptop, select that and then connect to the switch, and then I use that port. So finally, what we need to do is, since I already did all that, and then we move to number 4, and then the same thing, we have to connect the router to the network, because in order to, if we just leave with this one, all the network that's connected to the switch, this just becomes the local network. It doesn't go anywhere. So it's only the communication is happening between these 3 devices. But if you really want to access to the internet from this computer to outside world, we have to connect this switch to the router. That's why the router is come in place. So in order to get the router, so we have to offer our mouse over here, and then we got the router, and then you have to put whatever you want. I just want to put here, and then I connect the switch to the router. On which port that I want to do, this is the only port that's available. I just choose that. As you see, the other ones is already connected. So I choose that one, drag to the router, and then connect that. This is the only one port that's available over here. I just connect that. So as you see here, so that is step 4. Connect the switch to the router is step 5, which we already did all. So right now we are successfully built the small office or the home office network. If you really want to go out there and do this thing, maybe you have to configure the switch and then you have to configure the router, but this one is just generally the simple idea that even for us, but it's a really good way of understanding how the network is actually working. All right, I try to see if this answer is right by scoring the lab. All right, as you see, we are correctly build this small network, and that will be right. Please don't forget to subscribe for our channel in order to get the next lab notification. Thank you for watching. See you next lab.